My name is CJ. I'm the office manager here at Mr.Electric of Chapel Hill and Cary, and today we're talking about why customer service matters. When people think about the trades, they think it's, installing electrical, selling fixtures or emergencies, but it's more than that. It's the customer service side of things. A lot of the times when people call in, they're really stressed out about something, or they've had something go wrong or emergency, or they just did a project and a DIY, and now it's like, oh, I don't know what to do. But most of the time the interaction starts with the office, it starts with us. We're there to calm and reassure them and make sure that everything is okay, and to let them know that we are here for them. The first phone call matters more than a lot of people think it is. How we answer the phone, how we greet the customer, how we essentially interact with them. That makes you feel comfortable with choosing us and trusting us to come into your home, onto your property, and do the changes or fix whatever we may need to fix. I know if I was in the homeowner's shoes, I'd want somebody to answer the phone in a nice, polite way and give me that reassurance that, the people that we are sending out to the home is actually going to be able to take care of my problem. That really sets the tone for the whole entire experience. It starts with the office, and then instilling that faith and trust in them that our guys that are coming out to help them are not only going to be able to take care of them, but show them ways to help prevent this from happening again, or if it's an accident, or just helping them simply install something, whether it's like a Ring camera or lights or whatever it may be. Show you and educate you on the stuff that we're actually doing, and not just finish it and saying, oh, it's done, and not, showing you anything. A lot of the customer service is just doing the little things, making sure we communicate with the client if we're running behind, or if we can come earlier, letting them know that, being respectful of their home and space, whether they have kids there or dogs or animals, just making sure we shut things if they need to be shut, gates, doors, especially if we have children running around the house, making sure that they're nowhere near the electrical panels, or if there's exposed live wires around, making sure that we keep the kids away from that so nothing happens. And also just making sure we clean up after ourselves, wearing our little booties to cover their shoes, and then just showing up on time and being there when we say we'll be there. That's a really big thing for us, making sure we show up when we say we're going to show up. There's a lot of companies out there that can actually do electrical work, but then there's us, where it kind of sets it apart. We really take into account the person's home and actually make it feel like it is our home when we walk in. We want to be treated the way, others would be treated. So we really take that into account when we come into someone's house, and make sure that everything we would do, we want someone doing that at our home. And that's what makes people trust us and call us back again and again. At the end of the day, customer service is more than just making sure we handle the customer. It's everything. It's from the time you meet us to the time we finish at your home, and making sure that everything is up to your standard and your satisfaction. If you've ever had a really good or really bad customer service experience, let us know in the comments.